Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you through a song by my favourite band, the Rolling Stones. This is a thing called You Can't Always Get What You Want. So you know the drill, go grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, so let's get into this then. You can't always get what you want. So the first things first is to tell you what chords we're going to be using. So we've got the C chord, the F chord, the D chord, and a strum pattern that goes down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, so let's go through that strum pattern again. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. I'll do that slower for you. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, so proper speed will be down. So you've got that. Okay, you've got that bit. Good, we're going to move along. C, first chord. Now what we do with that, mixed in with that strum pattern, we're going to be taking our little finger and we're going to be holding that down on the 3rd fret of the B string, which is the 2nd string there. There we go. So downstroke and then off, on, off, on, off, on, off. So on, off, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Do that again for you. On, off, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. On, off, keep it off. Off, on, off, on, off, on, off. And then we drop down to an F. On, off, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Then down to the F. Right, now for the F, what we can do, we can add these little hammer-ons which make it sound really good. The way we do that is we deconstruct the F chord, we sort of come away, and that leaves us with holding down the first 2 strings on the 1st fret. So that's the E string and the B string. As you know, that's the first bit of the F chord. And we're going to be hammering on the 2nd fret of the G string, the 3rd string, and then playing the 2 strings together, the 1st and 2nd strings together. So we got, sounds really country, and then back. Right, so let's go through that then. So we've got C first. So we've got C, then F, C, then F, C, then F, C, then F. Now that makes up the verse. Now I can't sing too much of the verse. I can probably hum it here and there because I'll get a copyright claim slapped on me, but you get the picture. So it's da 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 day at the reception. Glass of wine. So that's the verse. Now the chorus is pretty much the same, except for a D chord comes in. So you know the way it goes. So you can always get what you want. One more time. Get what you want. Then today, if you try sometimes, you might find to the F, get what you need. See, now I bash down on the 3rd string when I do it. See what I do there? Make sure I hit on the 3rd string. There's a little flick of the wrist there. Got it? You got the D, got some. You're not fine. You get what you need. And then later on in the song, it goes into this chord bit, a little progression. D minor, E minor, F, D, G, and then back into the structure we was talking about, so back to C. Yeah, so let's do that again for you. So we got D minor, E minor, then F, then D, then G, and then back into it. Right now, I just want to say this. Later on in the song, it just gets a bit more funky. It doesn't stick to the standard. It gets a bit more groovy. It turns into. It's a bit more snappy. I mean, you don't have to get into that. If you're at a beginner level and you want to keep things quite simple, please feel free to just stay with what we've done up to this point. But it's all done with, you know, the wrist. It's very, very snappy on the wrist. So down, 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 up, down, up, 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 down, up, down. So that's the new groovy strum pattern that you throw in with the rest of the You Can't Always Get What You Want. It turns into a kind of jam. If you listen to, especially if you listen to the album version that goes on for like 7 or 8 minutes, if you listen to that version, it very much gets into that. And then it, like I said to you, it does this bit. It goes bam 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 D G and then we'll go through them chords again. So this is the bit that breaks it up. So D minor ba dum bum ba dum, E minor ba dum da da dum, then F ba dum da da dum, then D, and then G and bum, and then down to F and C. So there we go. You can't always get what you want. How did you get on? Let me know down in the comment section below. Always great to hear from you. And if there's any other songs you'd like me to go through, again, leave them down in the comment section below. If you've liked today's video, then please can you click like and subscribe. It's always great to receive likes and subscribes. It helps me build the channel and I'm always so grateful. Thank you so much to those who have liked and subscribed already. I'll catch you in the next video. Look after yourselves. I'll see you again soon.